Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I did any kind of haul videos, and if you are not new to my channel, then you might have known I love doing haul videos. In this particular video, I have a lot of products to share. Most of it is skincare. I do have a little bit of body care and hair care here and there. If you want a dedicated review of any of the products that I'm going to mention in this video, do mention in the comment box below. And without any further ado, let's start today's video. I have a lot of recommendation of these particular brand or these particular products. I have these two products from the company called as Well, and I have their moisture locking hyaluronic acid day moisturizer as well as the skin rejuvenating retinol 0.5 night moisturizer. Now if you talk about the pricing of these products, I believe I have paid about like 300 to 350 rupees each. And if you talk about the quantity, they come in 120 ml, which is a really nice quantity for the product and the active ingredients that you are getting. Mind you, these are not just moisturizer, they have a little bit of active ingredients. For example, this particular moisturizer has an inclusion of hyaluronic acid, a lot of cross polymers, and a lot of good emollients. This is a very basic simple day moisturizer because at daytime we tend to apply a lot of vitamin C serum, and if you're going out in sun, most people try to avoid higher concentration of actives or like really powerful actives in daytime. So this is a perfect moisturizer for that. And this particular night one has an inclusion of retinol 0.5%, which is very mild, gentle, combined in an emollient form such as a moisturizer, can be used by anyone above, I believe, like 18, because it is not as effective as a normal retinol serum. It is there just to give you a helping hand in terms of a little bit of wrinkles, a little bit of acne, because yeah, retinoid and retinols are really great for acne as well. This is a fragrance free product, by the way, and it also comes in a pump packaging, which was surprising. If you want my review on it, do mention it in the comment box below, and I will do an initial shots review and a dedicated review in the future, so stay tuned for that. Coming on to the topic of moisturizer, I do have the Aqualogica moisturizer. There's another one which my sister took, so in total I have 3 of them, and I really wanted to try their like oil-free moisturizer range because they are affordable, effective, comes in an attractive pricing and packaging, and I really wanted to give them a go. Now currently I have their Radiance oil-free moisturizer, which has the goodness of watermelon and niacinamide, as well as their Glow oil-free moisturizer, which has the goodness of papaya and vitamin C. I believe they are the extension of their normal lines. And I also have the purple one. That one was more lightweight, and I'm going to be doing a shorts review of these, so stay tuned for that. All of these variants comes in a pricing of $3.99, but you can easily get it about like $250 to $300 in Amazon. And don't worry, all of the links would be mentioned in the bottom box below and also pinned down in the comment. In terms of K-beauty, I did repurchase 2 of my favorite products from Beauty of Joseon because I was running out of it. First one is the Relief Sunrise Plus Probiotic Sunscreen. This is a holy grail of mine. And the second one, my dream moisturizer, the Dynasty Cream from Beauty of Joseon. This is by far the best moisturizer I have ever used. This is so lightweight, yet it moisturizes my skin enough. This is perfect for both day and night, but I do really enjoy applying it during the night time, and I do my retinol sandwich method and all of the other things with this particular moisturizer because it provides the right amount of moisturization and hydration and makes my skin plump the next morning that I get up. If you talk about the pricing, I believe I got both of them in sale. This one I paid something about $1,600 or $1,500, and this one was for about like $900 to $1,000. Coming on to another product that was trending, which is the Vaseline Hershey's Kisses. I'm going to be doing a shorts review, but yeah, I paid something about 300 rupees. You get quite a lot of products and you simply can't get enough of lip balm, so yeah, this goes into my lip balm collection. Coming on to the topic of sunstick, I have these 2 sunsticks that I recently purchased. I have made shots of both of these, so I have tried them and I'm pretty impressed with it. This one, CeraVe dupe, I am not sure about. This is a pretty decent sunscreen, but the Happier one, I was really impressed. Some of you people commented that a Happier sunscreen wasn't really great, but maybe they changed the formulation or something. The Happier sunscreen, I paid something about $500 400 rupees or 495 rupees in sale, and the undry one, which comes with broad spectrum protection of SPF 50 plus, and the happier one is SPF 50, so I believe it has a little bit more protection. Both of them are hybrid sunscreen, and I paid something about 400 or 500 rupees for each of them. Let's talk about some hair care product, because I recently am trying this particular triple bond repair range from Wishcare. Now this is the thing that I didn't buy. Wishcare sent it to me, but I really wanted to talk about this particular shampoo in this video. This is a really nice sulfate free shampoo. This just gives you the effect of fuller hair, and combined with this triple bond repair booster serum, it just works. I don't know what they put in this one. Both of them combined together is just heaven. This is by far the most affordable hair care product that I really enjoyed, and I'm gonna be doing a hair care favorites of mine soon, so these are gonna be in that video. If you are curious about the pricing, this one retails for $4.99 while this one retails for $5.99. Coming on to the last hair care item that I have for this video, which is the L'Oreal Extraordinary Clay Rapid Reviver Deep Conditioner. Now this is a fairly affordable conditioner. It just costs 240 rupees. I believe I paid something about 189 rupees in Amazon. You come in a humongous package. This is a very lightweight conditioner that doesn't weigh your hair down. It washes away easily, plus it also gives the hydration. Because my hair is colored and the ends of it tends to be a little bit dry, I really wanted to mention this particular affordable find or conditioner, whatever you want to call it, and this is a pretty great product. And if you have dry hair, this is a savior for you. This particular glow pink moisturizer, a controversial moisturizer, looks pretty much like the Glow Recipe one, but I really wanted to mention, like, despite of the packaging and everything, this is a pretty great product. I paid something about 499 or 500 rupees for the moisturizer. It's a really great moisturizer, has decent emollients, has decent ingredients, and is really great for oily skin people. Even combination skin like mine enjoyed it in the monsoon season. I haven't used it as much, but on the times I did, I really liked it, and comes in a really nice glass packaging. And again, mentioning all of the links would be mentioned in the bottom box below. Coming on to a find that I'm really happy about, which is the Solve Labs Better Niacinamide Serum. I have purchased their moisturizer as well, which is currently on the way, but this niacinamide, the formulation, the packaging, everything just has my heart. This is by far one of the best niacinamide serum I have used, because most of the time niacinamide serum tend to give me a little bit of bumpy skin at the first initial days that I'm using. I don't know why it happens. I just get that little bit of bumps here and there, not like acne, a little bit of bumps. How can I explain that? A little bit of rashes kind of acne, but this one didn't give any. This has this jelly consistency, which is lightweight. Some of the jelly based moisturizer tend to be a little bit sticky. Texture of this one is really brilliant because it absorbs immediately and also doesn't give you any kind of sticky feeling. I want to find that I'm really disappointed about is the Pure Bubble sunscreen. I have heard so much like rage about this particular brand, and I am really sad to say that this particular sunscreen is the worst. This is a hybrid sunscreen if I'm not wrong, and I paid something about 300 to 350 rupees on sale, but the MRP is 699. Comes in a nice packaging with a pump and everything, but the formulation is really bad. If you apply the right amount of sunscreen, correct quantity of sunscreen, this would just make your skin sticky, plus it doesn't blend well with all of the moisturizer this particular sunscreen filled. And I don't know why the formulation is really bad. Maybe I got a bad batch, or maybe the product is like that, I don't know. But yeah, this one was not worth my money. Coming on to the next product, actually two products. I got the Mirror Acne Kit. I have the day serum as well as the night serum. Now the night serum has 2% of the salicylic acid. Me and my boyfriend both tried it. I don't know, it just gave me like this bumps here and there, and I didn't really enjoy it. It happened same with my boyfriend as well, but this serum, I don't know what the hype is about the mirror thing. But then day serum, however, is a pretty decent niacinamide serum. Not like wow, it will give me clear skin within like 7 days or like a month. My boyfriend is currently trying this mirror day serum, and it's been about like 1 to 1.5 months since he's trying, and after he finished it, maybe he will talk about it. But as for my kind of like short review, I don't think this mirror is worth the rage. And if you want my dedicated review on both of the serums, then do mention in the comment box below. Now I have mentioned in one of my shorts that CeraVe products are available now officially in India, and I will mention the link and everything in the bottom box below. I went ahead and tried 3 of their products, and I really love their hydrating cleanser for oily to combo skin, while the normal to dry skin one is kind of meh. I don't really like enjoy it. But the moisturizing cream, however, is really great, especially when I have a little bit of irritation, redness, especially if I'm trying out new product. This one is a savior. I don't know what it has. It has very simple ingredient, but it just works. Pricing are pretty reasonable. I paid something about 300 to 350 rupees for each of the product, and I got 3 in total. If you want a CeraVe like dedicated review of CeraVe products, then do let me know in the comment box below. Now before moving on to the last skincare bits, I quickly want to mention these 3 body care products that I recently got. The first one is a repurchase, which is the Miracle's Pro Bright body cream. Now this one is a targeted body cream. I have done a collaboration with them, but if you want an unsponsored review of mine, this is a really great cream. If you have any kind of pigmentation, dullness, especially like in the folds of your skin, this just really works. And this is, I think, my second bottle, and I love it to bits. Comes in a little bit of a steeper pricing than your normal body lotion, but you have to keep one thing in mind: this is not a body lotion, this is a targeted body cream. So you don't apply it all over, just apply it on like the targeted parts. And the last 2 body care in this video is the collagen retinol body lotion as well as the multivitamin brightening body lotion. I have tried Wishcare body lotion in the past. I've tried the HA one as well as the sunscreen body lotion. Both of them are great, and I wanted to try these 2 as well. Will let you know in my future video if I like it or not. The next product that I got is the L'Oreal 2% salicylic acid serum. Looks like a dupe for Inky List. This is a nice serum with really nice active ingredients. Says it retails for $11.99. I don't think I paid that much. I paid something about 500 to 600 rupees max. Kind of works, kind of not, like basic salicylic acid serum. Not anything like extraordinary. Coming on to the next serum, I was not expecting the serum to be that great, but it turned out amazing balls. This is the Dot & Key's Pomegranate Miracle Collagen Boost Retinol Youth Serum. That was quite a mouthful, but the serum itself is milky, and that's the part that I love the most. The milky serum especially are really great for your skin barrier because it has that emollient carrier that doesn't shock your skin with the active ingredients present in a serum. Even I love the plump niacinamide serum for exactly the same reason. It has a milky consistency. This has the combination of retinol and collagen. Now soluble collagen and collagen peptide, I'm not sure how it works on top of your skin, but it does promote a little bit of skin barrier goodness, so all of it is fine. But retinol serum, if you are searching for a beginner friendly retinol serum, this one is fragrance free. I don't think it has any kind of fragrance. Some people commented in my vitamin C video that Dot & Key vitamin serum has fragrance. It does has a little bit of tangy smell, but I didn't find fragrance in the ingredient list. But there are fragrant components such as blood orange extract, which has a natural scent, so I believe that's why the confusion was there. If you want to buy a good beginner friendly retinol serum, I would highly recommend the Dot & Key one because this is by far one of the best Dot & Key products that I have ever tried. Coming on to the next one, which is the Deconstruct Vitamin C and Ferulic Acid Serum. Now, many of you guys questioned about where did I get the pump packaging. Now, normally Amazon sells it, but if you wanna just be sure, get it from their website. Has the goodness of vitamin C and ferulic acid, which are like best friends. This is by far the best beginner-friendly vitamin C serum I have ever used. Last but not the least, I have the Wishcare's Underarm Roll-On Serum. Now, this is by far the 4th underarm serum that I'm trying, and many of you guys suggested that this is really great and I should try. I have the Aqua Fresh one, which is very neutral. It has a very similar fragrance to the Aqua fragrance that men's perfume normally have. This is a great unisex product. It can be used by anyone. Skincare is like unisex, but I get a lot of comments from guys commenting, can guys use this? I mean, skincare is for everyone. But yeah, packs the goodness of HA, kojic acid, hyaluronic acid, licorice, and even cica. If you talk about the overall fragrance, it does has a little bit of overpowering fragrance, but once you apply it, it lasts something about like 5 to 6 hours. And if you are a guy, this is a perfect product for you because you don't need fragrance after this. But if you are a girl who likes like gourmand fragrances, I don't think this is gonna pair well. But apart from that, I believe they have fragrance-free option as well, so go on and try that. And for now, I'm gonna save my thoughts about this for the later video, which is gonna come. Either I will do a shorts or a comparison video. In the past, I have done a underarm roll-on comparison video, which you can check right here. And yeah, this was everything that I got in the past 2 to 3 months. So yeah guys, this was like a normal skincare haul, like a random skincare haul video, and couple of new products that I tried, couple of your recommendation as well. So if you enjoyed this video, do let me know in the comment box below. Like this video if you like my content, share this video to any of your friends, and lastly, subscribe to my channel, hit on that bell notification, and I will see you in the next video. So bye bye. and take care.